Hey everyone, today we're going to make pineapple banana bread, or you could call this hummingbird bread. And basically, what that means is you're just adding banana and pineapple. So it's kind of a tropical twist on your average banana bread. But this is really easy to make. It comes out moist. It's great for a breakfast or a snack or just a dessert. First, you're going to add 1 2/3 cup of all purpose flour, a half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, and salt. And then take a whisk and whisk that up really well. Set that to the side. Now, in another bowl, mash up 3 very ripe bananas and make sure you mash them up really well. I like to use a potato masher, it kind of makes things easier that way. Then add 1 large egg, a half cup of granulated sugar, and a quarter cup of packed brown sugar, and I just use light brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter cup of vegetable oil or canola oil if you prefer that, 1 cup of drained and crushed pineapple. You don't have to drain all of the liquid out, but just drain as much as you can out. You don't have to get specific on this. And then mix that really well, and you're going to add that to the dry ingredients. So then just take a spoon and mix it up. You don't need a mixer for this. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. You don't have to keep mixing until it's completely smooth. You can add nuts to it if you want to. I'm allergic, so I didn't add that, but you can if you want. Then you're going to add it to a loaf pan. Just make sure your loaf pan is sprayed with some nonstick spray. Then you're going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. And then let it cool in the pan for about 20 minutes. Then pull it out of the pan and let it cool directly on the rack. And at this point, you can wrap it in plastic wrap and then just keep it on the counter and wait till the next day to eat it because the flavors really intensify. Now, if you can't wait, it's not the end of the world. A lot of times I can't wait to eat it, so you can go ahead and eat it the same day if you want. But I hope you really love this one. It's a really easy bread to make, and I think it's a really nice twist on the classic banana bread. Happy baking, and I will see you next time.